New Hope Tutorials is a nonprofit organization serving homeschoolers for almost 20 years now. From the beginning, we've valued deeply the choices parents and families are making to home educate their kids. Some of our families homeschool for a year or two, meeting specific short-term needs for their kids and families. Others homeschool through middle and high school, seeing this as the very best option to educate their kids.
I've been attending New Hope for 3 years now. My family has been associated with New Hope for 8 years. I've had 2 other siblings gone through New Hope.
New Hope makes it possible for kids to take challenging courses with other students, participate in group learning experiences, enjoy the rigors of university-style courses, have access to university lab experiences in our science classes and studio work in art, and perhaps most importantly, build deep and lasting friendships.
Hi, my name is Cameron Culinary, and this is my first year at New Hope Tutorials. I'm thoroughly enjoying my experience, and I feel like I'm learning a lot.
It's my experience with New Hope. The community is really welcoming, and it's just a whole lot of fun. The classes, the tutors, just everything about New Hope is just friendly and welcoming.
Because we love the New Hope community so much, we want as many individuals as possible to get to experience it.
But we recognize that not everyone can afford the classes we get to enjoy.
Because New Hope's price tag can seem like a financial barrier to some, New Hope Tutorials offers financial aid to the lower income families.
This means students who could normally attend could come and share our community.
Without financial aid, New Hope would look very different.
I'm thrilled with my classes, and I want my peers to benefit from New Hope as much as I have.
Servathon is a way for us to enable our friends to attend New Hope.
The Servathon is a letter writing campaign which is designed to raise funds for our financial aid fund. We want to have a robust fund so that we can make New Hope a really inclusive community, so that if someone has said, this is the way that I want to continue educating my kid, they're never limited by finances.
If only 80 students sent out 20 letters each, and each of those 20 donors only sent back $10, we'd far exceed the goal that we've set to raise money.
One of the things that I really love about the Servathon is that it serves 2 communities. It serves our community by helping to provide a really robust financial aid fund, but it also helps Camp Trickling Falls, which is a YMCA camp. And we as a community, all of our students and families, go to Camp Trickling Falls in May. We do a lot of cleanup, a lot of special projects, painting, building them an arcade outdoors. And all the money that they save from the labor that we do is then channeled into their own financial aid fund, so they can give financial aid to inner city kids who want to come and have a really fun camp experience that summer.
So Ryan, what is the impact of us coming here?
And when we come out here with our groups, you guys have a ton of fun. You'll make a huge difference to our kids and to our counselors out here. It'll be a lot of reward knowing that that is going to be impactful for our groups.
So I love that this is something that students do for one another, but also to serve another community as well.
When you give to New Hope Servathon, you make it possible for families of all levels of income to take advantage of our great courses and to become part of our wonderful community. Thank you for giving to our financial aid fund.
Donating to Servathon is very easy. All you have to do is open your web browser and type in firstgiving.com. That will bring you to the First Giving site. The site will then give you an option to choose which cause you want to donate to. Just type in New Hope Tutorials or Servathon, and it should bring up a bunch of results. This year's Servathon is clearly marked Servathon 2018. If you click on that, it will bring you to a screen that asks you whether you want to donate to an individual or team. Unless you don't have a team in mind, you'll click individual, and that will bring up all of the students participating in the Servathon. If you don't see your student immediately, try clicking View All, because the students are listed based on who's raised the most so far. Once you find your student, if you then click on their name, it will bring you to their page, and if you click Donate, then it will bring up a screen prompting you for your billing address and your name, and then you can leave a comment. If you wish, you can remain anonymous because the First Giving site gives that option.
Thank you.